In this video I will show you how to fix when your microphone is not working in WhatsApp desktop version. So open the WhatsApp and on the left open settings and click video and voice. Scroll down, here is your microphone. Make sure here is selected your microphone which you use. Mine is this one. Try to test your microphone and this pop-up will appear. You have to allow WhatsApp to access your microphone. Go to settings. It will open your microphone permissions. Scroll down here and find WhatsApp and turn it on. Another way is to click on apps, install apps and find WhatsApp. Once it's found, click on these three dots on the right and advanced options and make sure your microphone is turned on here. You can also enable here camera location and contacts. This was how to fix not working microphone in WhatsApp. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.